Okay, well, I'm waiting for a couple of things to dry. I want to wire these in. On this one, the red is the positive, and this is going to be the negative, and then that's going to be the trigger wire. So I'm going to put these bullet connectors on and then tape this stuff up. So I'm going to tape all this stuff up. From here. Oh, you're just too, so I should have put some on beforehand. Do this one first. Should have probably put that on first, and then okay, finish taping this up. Okay. Snapped in. Snapped in. That's good, that's good. I'm just gonna put some tape around this, and then I'm gonna feed this through a wire, I guess a loom or a harness type piece, but I just want to get a little bit of tape here. Start this off. So I got some of this wire tubing, just so that doesn't end up chafing against anything. Back to this ABS thing, so I end up getting that all situated and tied and taped. I'm going to plug that in a minute, but I'm just going to tape this cover over it and then tape up all this. So do that now. It's pretty tight working in here. And cut just a tiny bit of this off. Okay. Now we can plug in this. Just make sure there's enough slack. That is plugged in. Not going anywhere. Good. That's where I want that. This will go here. I'm gonna zip tie that right there. This is the loom that I have for the trigger wire that needs to go from front to back.